Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the data handling. First of all, define the data. What is the data? A collection of numerical figures giving some particular type of information is called data. For example, the marks obtained by 10 pupils in the class test out of 50 are 42, 12, 23, 08, 46, 34, 18, 29, 45, 37. We call it the data related to the marks obtained by 10 students in a class test. Yani these figures are called data. Now raw data obtained in the original form is called raw data. Array, arranging the numerical figure of a class, arranging the numerical figures of a data in ascending or descending order is called an array. Now, tabulation of data. Arranging the data in the form of a table is called tabulation of the data. Observations. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observations. Frequency of an observations. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. Now range. Range is the difference of highest and the lowest observations. Therefore, range equal to highest observation minus lowest observations. Mean of ungrouped data, that is arithmetic mean or mean, sum of all observations by the number of observations. Now, I will solve the all questions of worksheet 1, page 229 to 230. Question number 1. The attendance in a school for a week is as following: 425, 430, 400, 408, 410, 423. Calculate the mean of the attendance. So you know that there are 6 working days in a week. So first of all, find the sum of all observations by the number of observations. The mean of attendance equal to sum of all observations by the number of observations equal to 425 plus 430 plus 400 plus 408 plus 410 plus 423 by 6, that is 2496 by 6 equal to 416. Now question number 2. The heights of 10 boys were measured in centimeter and the result were as follows: 143, 132, 149, 148, 151, 146, 135, 128, 139, 150. The we arrange the data in ascending order, that is 128, 132, 135, 139, 143, 146, 148, 149, 150, 151. Clearly, the height of the tallest boy equal to 151 centimeter. The height of the shortest boy equal to 128 centimeter. The range of the data equal to 100 maximum value minus minimum value. That means the height of the tallest boy minus height of the shortest boy, that is 151 minus 128 equal to 23. Now what is the question number 4? Find the mean height. The mean height equal to sum of the heights of 10 boys by the total number of boys. The sum of all data is equal to 1421 by 10, that is 142.1 centimeter. Now question number 5. How many boys are there whose heights are less than the mean heights? So you find the mean height of the students, that is 142.1 centimeter. So the data which is less than the mean height is 128, 132, 135, 139. So there are 4 boys whose heights are less than the mean height. Now question number 3. A group of students was given a special test. The test was completed by various students in the following duration of time in minutes. The mean time taken by the students equal to sum of all datas by 10. The number of students is 10, so all observations equal to 10. Sum of all datas equal to 250 by 10, that is 25 minutes. Now find the new mean if the another students who took 14 minutes is also included. So you know that first of all there are 10 students appeared in the examination and 1 students also appear. So total number of observations equal to 11. The new mean equal to 250. That is the sum of 10 sum of the time taken by the 10 students, that is 250 plus 14 by 11 equal to 264 by 11, that is 24 minutes. Now question number 4. The enrollment of a school during 7 consecutive years was as follows. So find the mean enrollment of the schools for this period. The the mean enrollment of the school for this period equal to 1580 plus 2020 plus 2580 plus 3200 plus 3550 plus 3710 plus 4010 by 7, that is 20,650 by 7 equal to 2950. The new mean. Find the new mean if the enrollment of the current year, that is 4270, is also included. The new mean equal to the sum of 7 consecutive years, that is 20,650 plus 4,270 equal to 24,920 by 8 equal to 3,115. Now question number 5. In a factory, the total number of workers are 25. Out of them, the average monthly salary of 15 workers is Rs 8,500. Whereas the other 10 workers have an average salary of rupees 9,800. Find the monthly average salary of all 25 workers. The question number 5. The total amount paid to 15 workers as a salary equal to rupees 8,500 multiply 15, that is 1,27,500. The amount paid to 10 workers as a salary equal to 9,800 multiply 10, that is 98,000. The monthly average salary of 25 workers equal to rupees 1,27,500 plus 98,000 equal to by 25 equal to rupees 2,25,500 by 25 equal to rupees 9,020. Now question number 7. The mean of 9 observations was found to be 35. The sum of 9 observations equal to 35 multiply 9, that is 315. Later on, it was discovered that an observation 81 was misread as 80. The correct sum of 9 observations equal to 315 plus 81 minus 18, that is 315 plus 63 equal to 378. Therefore, the correct mean equal to 378 by 9 equal to 42. Question number 6. The average salary of 19 workers in a factory is rupees 12,000 per month. If the salary of the manager is rupees 42,000 per month, find the average monthly salary paid to all the employees. The average monthly salary of 19 workers and the manager equal to rupees 19 multiply 12,000 plus 42,000 equal to 2,28,000 plus 42,000 by 20 equal to 2,70,000 by 20. So 27,000 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 13,500. Now question number 9. The mean height, the mean of 8 numbers is 27. The sum of 8 numbers equal to 27 multiply 8 equal to 216. If one more number is included, then the mean is 26. The sum of 9 numbers equal to 26 multiply 9 equal to 234. The included number equal to 234 minus 216, that is 18. Now question number 10. In a certain hospital, the mean birth rate of a week was 35. The sum of the birth a week equal to 35 multiply 7 equal to 245. Achha. The mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday, that is 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. The sum of the birth from Monday to Thursday equal to 4 into 32 equal to 128. The sum of the birth from Thursday to Sunday equal to 36 multiply 4 equal to 144. The number of births on Thursday equal to 128 plus 124 minus 245 equal to 272 minus 245 equal to 27. Thank you. Have a nice day.